If you taste the same wine from different glasses, you will find it very different. Today I'm gonna show you how to use this in your advantage. If you think that the bottle you just opened is a little bit too flabby, try to drink it from this kind of glass. Pay attention to the shape from the bottom of the bowl. This sharp conical shape emphasizes the acidity and will bring on more freshness in your wine. On the opposite, if you think that the wine you're drinking is too aggressive, try it from this kind of glass with a round spherical shape on its bottom. This characteristic of the glass is just taming down the way we are feeling the acidity. This is just a preview of a 3 minutes tutorial that you will find on my channel. 3 minutes. See you there. Cheers.